This then will be the legacy of the Lada. Not that it was one of the oldest cars still being produced, nor that it was one of the few survivors of the collapsed communist regime. No, the Lada will forever be remembered as the worldwide punchline of Christmas cracker level comedy crap. It does distress me that a story that begins with the gorgeous, almost feminine Fiat 124 is going to end with the world's most derided car. A car with a face that only a Russian shot putter's mother could love. It's going to go out with a pathetic whimper. The poor old Lada, yet another victim of state tyranny. There's always an issue with a dictator's car. The Beetle, it was brilliant, but the people who paid for it never actually took delivery. The Trabi and the Wartburg, they were awful, but the people were forced to have them. The Lada, it started off quite well, but totalitarianism slowly ruined it. It does seem that if you actually want to mess up your motoring, you need a dictator. But let's not forget, the Lada's long journey began in a joyful flourish of Italian style. It fell from the sun-drenched sky. We thought it should bow out the same way. It's what the designer, Oscar Montaboni, would have wanted.